Ito succession leads it. Fourteen shot clock. Steal. 2 points. First 2 points of the game. Fourteen shot clock. Steal again. White point. Number 3, first personal foul, first team foul from DSC. 8 shots. First goal, correct. Second goal, Toronto 6-11. Fourteen shot clock. Hulga. Oy, mas. And meron tayong foul. Number 18. First personal foul. First team foul. Okay, 2 shots for Zedrick. Okay, second throw. And the miss. And all on. Another 7. That was your first personal foul, second team foul. USA. And the rebound for Lisa is the shot rebound by number 7. Also, fires, wala. Zedrick, and the steal by number 10. Passes to Mark. Two next one, 2 points. Grade 7. Elena. Almost specific rebound by Fulgan. And a traveling violation. Difference number 18. Score is 10-0. Still getting the basket. Mr. Fernanda fires. Boneless pa rin, DSA. Ito, buti na naman nakaagaw. Ito, nakaagaw na number 18. Ito, kaya nakasalit. Mark, Master Elijah, nice pick. Is the shot, Elijah, person ng Mark, this is the ball. And out of bounds. Bosa. Jump ball. White ball. Good defense. Coming from jersey number 13. Fourteen shot clock. Ball out. Number 24, number 74. Connector to Christ for number 7. And pass for foul, number 7. DC. 13 foul for DC. Johan, opening round, received by Lisa. Pass the time, here's Camoso, straight to the basket. This is the shot, and foul, number 04. Number 04, that was your first personal foul. Johan as the runs. And foul number 04, that was the second, and that's penalty for DC. Okay, two shots for Nico. First throw. Kulang ng konti. Second row. One number 2. 32 at the second. In and out. Now by Lisa. Isa again for 2 points. Score is 7-2. 15 big point lead for also as a Zilring to Lawrence. Good for 2 points. Lawrence 17-4. Johan! Number 24, putting for 2 points. Number 16 is still by Bauson. There's now Bauson, pass to number 24. Ball goes out and Sebo. Substitution. Hunstone will check in for Asa. Malaki receiving the ball. Pass to number 24. Shadow malakas. Rebound by Hunstone. Johan. And Johan. Morris. Foul. Number 16, holding foul. First personal foul, second team foul for Ryan. Shot clock 56 seconds to remain. Bauson to the ball and steal by Rams. And walang depensa. Go down, down. Boston, rebound. Number 7. Wow. 2 shots na tayo, 2 shots penalty. Number 7. Second personal foul, number 7. 2 shots for Johan. Second. Okay, 30 seconds remaining, 30 seconds. Right. Lay down. Pass to Johan. 25 seconds. 14 shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. And still, last shot para sa DSA. 10 seconds. Also. Okay, basket na. Foul number 1. Okay, bonus shot for Bauson. 7 seconds remaining. 7 seconds. And the strong rebound. Get it again by Bauson. Block rebound by Nico. The first quarter official score is 17-18. 9-point lead. Okay, start. Okay, wala tayong question. Wala tayong mga. Elijah. And out of bounds.
Lima na lang. Ano lang yun? Warm up, warm up.
Maliit. Ay, di siya yung Kia, number 44. Zidrick, tumira. Lakas. Rebound, isip, malakas din. Flores. Rebound, Flores tayo. Depensa. Okay, malaki. Okay, kids, wala tayo depensa sa backcourt. Backcourt lang tayo meron, backcourt. Plus sa foul number 0. Third personal foul number 0. Zero four. Tatlo na, 0-4 pa rin. Flores. Tapos yung third ball shot, para kay Mark. Wala, rebound, Malaki. Malaki. Bring the ball. Pass to Mansuela. Mansuela. Tumira, wala. Rebound. Napunta kay Mark. Tapos yung Mark, pinakaba, bola.
Good one, John.
Isa pa lang. Okay, first personal foul pa lang pala. Para kaya sila na dalawa pa lang. Basket. Okay, first throw is good. Second throw. Another one to Aguntuni. Malaki, pass to Zidrick. Pass to Isip. And meron tayong foul. Number 14, Holt. Okay, personal foul. Right. And it's still by Kia.
Kevin, buksan mo.
Ito na, ito na. Malakas pa rin yung Kia, malakas na. Uy, ito pa rin ang kaya, red ball. Zidrick. Nakakagaw na naman. Okay, wala tayong defense. Baba. Okay, pasok na yung mga magsasab. Okay, ball. Okay na. Si Mike Isa. Score is 28-40. Ramos. Bringing down the ball. Ball. Fire short. Rebound. Tatlong nakagawa ng bola. Ramos na the ball. Pero wala tayong depensa. Okay. Also, number 24, short. Rebound by Ramos. Ramos.
Good one.
Isa. Pass to another steal by Ramos. Ramos. Right. 4-0 run para sa TSC. Official score 28. Okay, go.
Takot naman agad sila.
2015 yan.
Eh, ano pinasali sa 2013?
Uy! Johan! Alave, winning goal to Flores. Over by number 7, and a steal by Isa. Isa has to Johan. Shot! Rebound. Okay. Here's the Calave. Connection boys.
Baka yan, gusto din nila ilabas.
30-20. Still a 10-point lead for Brandon. Johan. Taking the ball. It's to Vigo. Vigo. And a goal in. And a jump ball. Simple. It's something 14 sa ating shot clock. 14 shot clock. Johan. To Master. Isa. Rebound by number 3. At Joella Nasidrik. Pass to number 7, Lawson. To Flores. Big foul. Number 5. Okay, 2 shots. Foul para kay Vigo. Okay, first personal foul. And second foul. Right. 2 shots for Flores. First foul. Last. Okay, second row. Basket. Number 2.
Buhay naman yung grind na yun.
Isa. Pass to Vigo. Vigo. Alcin. Ball. Yes. Pausol. Taking the ball. Sa Calave.
Good! Oh, baka gusto nila yan. Baka gusto nila pala. Kaya nga. Naka-3 kasi.
There's got Pausol. Slicing the field. Taking the basket. There's got Isa. Isa. With the ball. And very a foul. Number 3 of Zimmer. Second personal foul and 13 foul this. 2 shots. First foul.
Kaya nga. Hindi naman nila. Basta may isa sila din ang pinalagay ko. Mark, siguro kasi dalawang 14.
Okay, second throw. Basket para number 3. Johan will sit down and place by Rice.
Isa-isa.
Flores. Robin.
Oh, so meaning sila nagreklamo.
Isa, online na. Pass to number 16. Rice. Rice. Pass to number 35. Is the
Wow! Quick, quiet, please.
Kaya mga
Oh,
parents
what's it?
talaga, yung mga bata, nag-identify na
Sorting seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. And a steal by Flores. Okay, wala tayong defense, wala tayong defense. Apat na lang, 29-33. 20 seconds. Number 24, holding foul. Okay, wala pa yan. Interim penalty. Okay, shot clock is out. 8 seconds. Score 31-33. Green isa pa, DSA. DSA, green. Okay. Dilagan para kang isa. Susunod sa speed. Oh! Kailangan nilakas mo na kay Mark. Mark, number 7, collect for 2 points. Mark stops for 2 points. Halate. Running shot. Pero tayo ito.
Ganun na lang, pasok si Mark, pasok din siya.
Okay, 2 shots para kay Kalate first throw.
Ito nga yung champion ni.
Second throw. Basket. 32-35, 3-8 break.
Ay, nako.
Dia, fires. Wala. Kasi gilibang para isa. And Flores. Let's come na natin. Basta Pausora, moment for Rudy. Wala. Para bounce. Okay, one goal. Isa, wala. Lima kay Flores. Basta malapit. Kalapit. Basta Pausor. Airball, isa. Basta Mark.
Dumikit na kayo.
Basta malapit. Dribble the ball. Malakas na ball. Rebound by Kia. Kia. Pass to Park.
Happy?
DSA. Official score 32-39. Okay. Good.
Ay, naku, ginagawa na ni Kevin.
Malaki. Pass to Balsor. To Flores. Another positive rebound for Flores. 10 seconds to shoot. Balsor. Single. Rice is stronger than Bogaro. Lawrence pass to Boston. Boston 6-7. Basket. It's about double zero.
Prepare pa naman si Kevin na to. Kaya,
Okay, body shot for Boston.
paglaro na sila 2012. Oo nga. Eh, wala naman.
Kasi, marami nakabakasyon.
And steal by
Hindi na lang po si Argos. Pasok yung Sige, ask for the ball!
Jersey number 04. Apat na yan. Flores na pa siya for personal foul. First team foul is two shots for Izal. First throw. Wala. Second throw. Another piece. And Sambo. Same ball. Okay, we have 4 seconds. Shot clock. Elijah, on the way down. Pass to Isa. Isa pass. Losing the ball. Back by number 24. This time number 24. Pass to Paulson. Still by Kia. Pass to Elijah. Elijah. This is shot. Rebound by Venezuela. Pass to Paulson. Paulson. Malakas. Pass to Mark. Mark. Back to Isa. Number 14. And meron tayong number 14. Second personal foul, number 14. Issue. And nice pass! Shot from Kia! And the rebound! And the steal! Meron tayong kick goal. Official score 34-39.
kapag manager hindi na nila. Buti nga ako, hindi ko mapasok na pa.
Okay. 14 seconds. Attention. Kia. Pass to number 14. Malakas. Rebound by number 7. Okay. 14-second shot clock. Elijah Otenga. Pass to Mark. Good goal. Mark.
Good one!
Two shots. Foul number 12. Number 12, that was first rule. First personal foul. Second rule. One number 2. Okay. Come to the for Brian. 37-39.
Defense!
Mark. Pass to Isa. Jack
Good one!
Newton.
Good one! Good one!
Solid lead. Elijah. Ito, pass na yung pasok sa iba. Ito na naman. Kalapin. Gary for Johan. Kalapin. Pass to Newton. Kalapin. Pass to Newton. Okay. Entering penalty para sa BFC. Third personal foul number 14. Isip.
Hoy, traveling na!
One minute 40 seconds. Talagang kinuhuyong doon si Mark. Noel. Pass by Rohan. To number 4. 40 seconds shot clock. 2 seconds. Sa ilalim. Number 14. 57959. Meron po lalabas na rin po sa sakyan na plate number 57959. Nakitabi lang po yung mga meron po lalabas sa sakyan. Plate number 57959. 14 shot clock. Elijah! May plate number 45759. Pasukin mo, meron po lalabas sa sasakyan. Kalapin. Wala ba rin? Rebound. Nakuha ni Elijah. Elijah.
Good one!
Okay, 48 seconds remaining. Shot. Shot.
Akala ko.
Kia, Official score, 29-46. Lumayo na naman. Johan! Okay, announcement again. Power plate number 57959. Meron pong nakalabas na pasuyo. Rebound by Flores. Short, another offensive rebound. And a steal by Johan. And foul one, number double 7. Kapalapi. Isa ang rebound, pass to Johan. Rebound. Pass to Pausol. Pausol at pass to Flores. Walang depensa masyado. Parang dinaanan yung mga poste. Ito! Ilan! Flores! Pass to Johan! Another offensive rebound. And there's a whistle on foul number 10. Isa. Sa block 14. Venezuela, receiving the ball, Tawadali. And jump ball, ring ball, green. Okay, jump ball tayo, green ball tayo, green ball. Gonzal, pass to Calabe, Venezuela,
Edwin!
Foul ang mga red. Wala tayo. Okay, double selection. Boya, pass to Chuela. And 3 seconds violation. And line violation. Noel, pass to Isid. Flores pala. Flores. Kunin for 2 points. 41-50. Johan. Takes fire.
Shoot!
Malakas. Pass to Cam. And there's a whistle. Foul number 3. Third personal foul. Sa red flag. Call na rin. Okay, go. And down, pass to Isa. 10 seconds to shoot. Isa! Basket down. Basket, foul number 3. Fourth personal foul, number 3. Second team foul, DSA. For the shot. Okay, for the shot. In and out. Okay, DSA. Sobrang shot. Okay, DSA ang win. Good! One shot! Shot! And spin by Wilson. He's now Wilson. There you go.
Double! Double! Ay!
Mark, drive, good at control.
Harap! Harap!
For the ball, Venezuela.
Ahead! Ahead!
Ball goes up.
Good ball.
Okay, still disabled. Also, as the goal. 10 seconds to shoot. And 3 seconds for the shot side. Isa on the down. Once again, still pass to Isip. Isip flipping the ball. And jump ball. Save ball. White ball. Okay, 14 seconds tayo. 14 seconds. Elijah on the down. Isa. Isa, wala. Basta! Bago 2 balls. Basta. Also, drilling the ball. Pass to Noel. Double deep.
Go! Go!
Noel. Right. Isa. And ang pass break. Para sa Mark.
Bola!
Again. Two shots tayo, 2 shots. Para kay Mark. First throw. Bounce. Bounce. Connect. Second throw. Miss. Rebound by Aston. Aston Mark. Mark. Ragli. Okay. 2 minutes and 6 seconds remaining. Bola, bola yung lang.
Go! Go!
Last hit! For down! Pass to Easy! Masuk na ball!
After this kayo na.
Apa?
to Noel. Number 16. Okay, 3 shots siya, 3 shots. Okay, 3 shots, 4 throw. First throw, connect. 46-59. Still 13 only. Second throw. Another one, 2 out of 2 so far. Last throw. This is the last shot. Nakama ka lang, save ball. Shot clock, 12 seconds. 12 seconds shot clock. And still running. Yes, as Isa. Isa! Official whistle. Foul number 7 on Bowser. Entering penalty DSA. 2 shots for Isa.
Sabi ko, huwag na kami rin manood. Huwag na kami pasal na lang kami. Kaya sabi niya, no, we will watch our goals.
There's no shot. Second throw. Still missed the shot. Tinawag na. Pass to Calabe. Calabe fires. 24 points. 49-59. 10 point lead. Johan. Tinita na ball. Pass to Reyes. Reyes. Miss the shot. Rebound. And there's a foul. Number 13 on Johan. Entering penalty box. 56 seconds remaining. Johan, Manila.
Sabi ko,
Pass to Calabe. Calabe. Pass to Pauso. Pachuela. Rodney. Chase the 30 seconds. I'm done. And foul number 14. 2 shots. Okay, I'm done. I'm going to the free throw line.
Kasi,
36 seconds remaining. First throw. Sure.
nag-break ng Wednesday.
Second throw. Another miss. Rebound by Pachuela. And that's the Pauso. Pass to Calabe. Shot. Pass to Johan. 20 seconds. To Johan to run space. Net for 2 points. Five. Noel. Connect for 2. Whole game. Congratulations. Right. Final score 51-61. Okay, next game, warm up.